how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. If you want to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to actually open up your Outlook application. Once you open the Outlook app, you have to basically schedule a meeting by using the calendar and creating a new event. So on the left hand side, simply go to calendar and then click on the option that says new event. Once you go to new event option, over here you can simply give your event a title, you can invite some attendees, and you can actually just choose to schedule this. So you can just change this to a later date right in this case, and then after that, once you've scheduled it, now you can go ahead and then save the changes and your meeting will be scheduled on Microsoft Outlook. This way you'll be able to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Outlook. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.